Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Auto Vlogs. My name is Amit and today we will talk about the all new upcoming MG RX8. In this video we will talk about 5 points: engine, exterior, interior, safety and pricing. So pinakauna, usapan natin tungkol sa engine. MG RX8 comes with a very powerful 2-liter 4-cylinder 16 valves diesel engine. Ang maximum output po 224 horsepower and maximum torque 360 Nm. Kung usapan natin tungkol sa transmission, MG RX8 comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. So next po, usapan natin tungkol sa exterior design. MG RX8 comes with very stylish front chrome grille, LED headlamps, LED tail lamps, LED fog lamps, auto folded side view mirror, roof rails, 18 inches diamond cut alloy wheels. Looks very stylish. So next po, usapan natin tungkol sa interior design. MG RX8 comes with all black interior with leather seats. Touchscreen display, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, wireless po yun, auto dimming IR/VM, cruise control, digital instrument cluster, and panoramic sunroof. So guys, next po usapan natin tungkol sa safety features. MG RX8 comes with 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, brake assist, crash sensor, front impact beam, engine check warning, and many more features. So next po usapan natin tungkol sa MG pricing. Pricing po wala po available kasi hindi pa ito launch. Siguro December po ito launch in Philippines. Pero yung expected price po is start 1 million to hanggang 1.5 or 1.6 million. So that's all from my side. If you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel Auto Vlogs and press the bell icon for more videos. Thank you very much.